Well, I got back into the shop and noticed my trailer was a little low on the passenger side. Climbed underneath here. Now I know why. Apparently, from what Richard Savalios told me, that one's been broke for a while, I guess, with the rust. But this trailer is a, I think it's a 98. 20-year-old trailer. I guess some of this stuff's to be expected, so this will be my Monday morning project right here. It's always something. As you can see, I'm not at the detention pond job. I'm back over here where we put those 3 sewer lines in. I got the electric in, and they're finally ready to get the yards put in. It's not too bad. I got a little bit of cleaning up and stuff to do. I got call and get those blocks hauled off because we didn't build as many retaining walls, or actually I didn't build any of that. Brant that helps me out, he did this little one right here, which these are always kind of funny because it's just one row high. There'll be a cap on there that's 4 inches tall, and then we'll backfill with dirt. But now the annoying part is it's only like 6 feet in between there, so I can't fit my machine in there. So we will be calling Lonnie with the slinger truck on that one. You can shoot that dirt in there and rake it out. Yeah, I have a little bit of cleaning up to do in the front here. Or a lot of cleaning up, I guess. What a mess. Well, I got some of the driveways in. I've just got enough I can get started on all of them, get all this stone and everything picked up, and start trying to rough grade and get some dirt in here. drive-in. That's going to make it easier on everybody apparently. Well, a little update over here. I didn't get the video knocking all this dirt down, and actually I didn't knock all of it down. The builder came over here over the weekend with his cat loader, because supposedly Saturday the AC guys were supposed to be here, which didn't happen, so he kind of knocked some of this down, and then I had to go in here today, and I still got a little more touching up. As I said, he just quickly knocked it down, and then I had Lonnie show up in the slinger truck, so it was a little kind of a chaotic Monday. We're trying to do too much at the same time, but I got that shot in there, and then worked on this afternoon getting it all hand raked. Because this house, they want to close on it or turn it over on Wednesday, and today is Monday. But I dug a sewer line and water line this morning, so I didn't get here till 1 o'clock this afternoon. And then the AC guys showed up at about 2, so I kind of knocked some of this down, and had to get out of their way. The concrete guys were here pouring the approach and that driveway, which is good. I'm glad they were here, but it's just hard to work around them. And then I got this load of dirt knocked out here, so just got a little hand raking to do, and then the top of this wall and stuff will be done. So I should have this one done tomorrow, and I bet the gutter guys will be here tomorrow too to put the downspouts on, and everyone's will be here finishing it up. So always kind of makes it a pain, but I'll get this one knocked out and prepped first thing so they can start seeding and strawing it. Then I'll work on these other two, but hopefully I'll get a little more video tomorrow. Like I said, today was, I had the excavator on, went and did on a sewer line, then had to run over here with the loader and start trying to spread all this out, running around and back and forth. So yeah, we'll get some video tomorrow prepping it and trying to get this one wrapped up.